Pleasant morning, my dear students. Many parents called and told me that this teaching of recalling the subjects is very useful for their children. So today, your Preeta Miss will be teaching in English important 5-mark questions in order to get full marks. You know, English is a subject which must be known to everyone. In English, there are 4 skills: LSRW. LSRW is nothing but listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, she'll be today using the writing skills based on 5 marks. Keep ready with your English revision note, children.
Good morning, students. Hope you all fine and safe in your houses and start preparing for your public examination. I think so. Already, all seen Tamil and social teachers are doing teaching in the online. You already seen. Today we move on to English. Yes, I am Preeta. I am handling 10th English. Today we are going to see 5 marks important 5 marks questions. What are going to attend and what are the tips I am giving. Use handling together. Let's move on to the section. There, you have to attend 4 important 5 marks in your public paper. One is advertisement and notice writing, letter writing, picture composition, make notes, or either summary. You have to attend either make notes or summary and spot errors. Out of 6, you have to attend only 4 5 marks. And I'll give you some tips to improve and get full marks in advertisement and notice writing. Today we are going to concentrate on only 2 5 marks, that is advertisement and notice writing. Okay, let's move on to the section. Today now we are going to see advertisement. Yes, what is advertisement? Can anyone tell what is advertisement? You all seen in your TVs, right? And then what is advertisement? What is ad? Yes, very good, Gautam. Advertisement is nothing but audio or a visual communication to promote a product or to sell a product. Yes, and then advertisement. In advertisement, what are the things you are seeing in TV or in audio in radio? What are the scenes what are the names or what are the things you are seeing about the advertisement? What are they? Yes, very good. First, you have seen the name of the product. Very good. And then what is that? Yeah, very good, Mithun Shiva. Next, address with contact is there. And the third one is appealing image. What is appealing image? Description about the products. Description about the product means nothing. Which is if it's a home appliance, they may have the refrigerator or AC or TV like that. And then feeling good, discounts and offers. Discounts, customer satisfaction is must for any product sale. So they have some discounts and offers for the particular products. And then catchy description. What is the catchy description? Can anyone tell? Yes, catchy description is nothing but to attract the customers to buy a product. Yes, that is catchy description and benefits about the product. What are the benefits and what are the effect about the product? These are the main things you have seen in the advertisement. Now I am going to show some small cut paper advertisement in your class. See, this is a small paper cutting. So, this is a small paper cutting, advertisement cutting is there. What is that? It is Girias. It's about a home appliance. First, we already seen that is name of the product. Yeah, they already given the name of the product. What are the product they're going to sell in a home appliance like fridge, TV, AC, washing machine, and what are the products they are given. And then second one, address with contact. They have in that address like here, address and contact number is there. And then third one, appealing image. They have an attractive images in the advertisement. And fourth one, feeling good and discount and offer. See, they're giving a 10% discount in for buying that product. And then catchy description. Where is the description? Can anyone find this? Yes, very good. Here is the catchy description about Girias. So this is a small advertisement they be seen in the papers. And not only the home appliance, they have a car, bike and sales also we have in a description in the advertisement. Here I am showing small bike advertisement. You all see, can anyone tell where is the name of the product here appealing here? Yes, very good. Augustine, this is the product name, that is they are showing in a hero. And then what is the name of the product and the address and contact is there? Yes, it's already here. That is the address and contact number here. And then what is the discount and images is there appealing? Yeah, they have two big scooty pictures in the description box. And then discounts, is there any discount? Yes, very good, Mithun. You have a discount here. That's called in a Tamil, okay? And then benefits and catchy description and benefits the product. You have the benefits here and what are the advantages of the product and what is the disadvantage of the product. It's given in the advertisement. These are the small cuttings here I'm using for your advertisements. Stop me. Okay, now I am having one question here. You are going to prepare an advertisement. Computer course, 3 months, flexible timing, discount for students. This is a question. You have to prepare an attractive advertisement. Yes, kindly write the question in your classwork and start writing in the note. Yes, move and sit, don't copy each other. Yes. Gokul, finish? Okay, kindly stand and tell me what is the first one we have to do. Yes, very good, Gokul. First, we have to draw one outline here. Okay, and then we have to give what is that? Name of the product. So, we have a smart course. So, smart course. Okay, this is the name of the product. And what are the description they are going to do? They are giving a free books and then flexible timing. At what time you can come and do your work in that course. Yes. And then any discount is there? Yes, very good. There are some discount. They offered some discount. 20% discount. And then, yes, very good, chemistry. You have to write address here. Number 1, Tollgate, Chennai. Okay. And then, anything is missing in that advertisement? Is missing in that advertisement? Yes, very good, Mithun Shio. You have to appealing images. You have to draw some images about computer. So draw one computer here. Yes. Okay. And here what you have to do? All is there. Smart and discount is there. Name of the product is there. Flexible timing is there. And then address and contact number. Some number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some number you are written. Okay. This is a advertisement using this hints. Yes. Kindly copy down in your note. Yes. Okay. Take page number 9 and you have in that advertisement. I am giving homework also. In page number 10. Copy the second question. I am telling the question also. Yes, copy down in your English homework note. Food keeping footwear. Food king footwear. Shoes and slippers. Imported footwear. Hyphen 20% discount for ladies and kids. Yes, and prepare and advertise attractive advertisement. This is for your homework. Kindly do it. I'll check it on tomorrow. Okay, now going to see a next topic, that is notice writing. Can anyone guess what is notice writing? Yes, very good, Hemasti. Notice writing is nothing but a formal means of communication. The purpose of notice is to announce or any information to a specific group of people. Yes, a formal means of communication. It's a communication between one and something group of people to announce the specific important news or something printed in public places or schools. And then notices are generally meant to be printed up on display boards in the schools or in the public places. So we have some hints to develop how to write a notice writing. Yes, already we seen an advertisement. Notice is first we have been outline. Notice first you have an outline and you have to have the name of the school or institution. Either in the question they are giving a name of the school or any institution or any organization in the question, and name of the program and what type of program and which program they are going to conduct. Either the Children's Day or World Elders Day or something like that. Main thing is date is very important when they are going to conduct. And then, are you listening? Yes. And then the message, we have to, they're going to tell what is the program they're going to conduct, and then what kind of program and when they are going to conduct and where they are going to conduct. There's been a small message in that. So, there are some message. And here on behalf of whom they are sending the notice writing. Either on behalf of a principal or school people leader is inviting, or either any bank manager or any higher authority. On behalf of higher authority, they welcoming this so they have to identify XX or YY. So here the main key points you have to notice that you are going to write in the notice writing. Yes, first outline and then name of the school or institution and name of the program is there, and date, venue and time. This three is very important. Date, when are going to happen, time, at what time they are going to happen the program, and venue, where it is going to happen. Is there either auditorium or in a open space where it's going to happen. And then message is nothing about what is the program is going about. What is the program is about us doing. And then on behalf of inviting, on behalf of higher authority, somebody is inviting. So they are having an XS or YY. These are the main key points for notice writing. Kindly copy down in your English classroom. Yes. Don't talk each other. Kindly copy this question. And you are going to do this. How to write a notice writing. So here is the question. Write a notice about the inauguration of a laughter club in your school. So in our school we are going to inaugurate a laughter club. So how will you notice the students to come on inaugurate the function. Okay, kindly copy down this question in your English classwork note. Okay. Can anyone tell what is the first one you are going to do? Yes, very good, Gautam. We have to draw one outline. Okay, and then what is that? Yes, comrades. Metric, high secondary, school, Chennai. Okay. And then what is the next one? Name of the program. What is the name of the program? Inauguration of a laughter club. So, inauguration of laughter club. This is the name of the program. And what is the next you are going to do? Yes, write today's date. When is the notice applied on the notice board? So that is July 2021. Okay. And then we have to write small message about the inauguration of the club. Okay. So that is, this is to inform. Yes, kindly copy down in your English classwork. Inform that laughter club. Yes, kindly copy. Inform that laughter club. Yes, kindly copy down. It's going to be inauguration. We are going to write inaugurated. Inaugurated on what date? Next day you are going to write on 16th July 2021. On 16th July 2021 at which day? Yes, Monday in the school auditorium. It's right? In the school auditorium as the laughter is the best medicine Okay. Is this to inform that Laughter Club is going to be inaugurated on 16th July 2021. It's on Monday in the school auditorium as the laughter is the best medicine. Everyone is attend the everyone is attend without fail. So this is a small message about you are going to inaugurate the Laughter Club. Our Laughter Club about this message. So here on behalf of school people leader. So kindly copy down this. After this, I'm going to give one homework you have to do as a create a notice writing as per your creativity. Before that, I'm going to show some newspaper cuttings about notice writing. So here is some newspaper cuttings for about the notice writing. Here, what we seen in the before our classes. Here all of there is a name and the product and what is going to inaugurate and which day. This is all in the notice writing. So here is another example for notice writing. Okay children, kindly copy down the question which I was given for your homework. So prepare a notice kindly copy down on your homework note. Prepare a notice about publishing. Don't talk among yourselves, kindly copy down. Publishing of annual exam results. Publishing of annual exam results in your school. So this is a question you are going to prepare for a notice writing. Kindly copy down and I will check it on tomorrow. Thank you.